Ya busia for ebe chia mo nyina na ya ma mo nyina akwaba. Ya CSF ebe da mo nyina ase ende ewie ya no pa ebe bia wo bia no. Ya da mo ase se de bia no mo ye krado na mo twen se ya de message ba ti pa cho ba pe de oba ya ne se oba share video no na we invite o na for so na ye nyina ye sunya de why ye no ye bi ne bisa question na ye nyina no why No abusia for ebe chia mo nyina na ya ma mo nyina akwaba me aba Chronicles of Abraham bin Moshe mo nyina mo nim Common Sense Family me say yasamba bi o mi chiachia mo amaba live nyina especially mpanyimfo ne celebrities ene yemi anom nketo Ghetto Youth mo amowo akwantu mo supporting movement nyina da mo ase de bia me ka se me ba na manda mo ase na me yetiafo mo amo send contribution wo de boa TV program no ya da mo nyina ase amanye yizi se mo be hye wo dem na wa start ade bia owo nsusu ye paso be boa wo man na wan kasa wo kromufo ebe so mo tigana for me da mo nyina ase for good or for bad me da obi ase se kakrakra yeso ejuma ye ne yeti ase e na metena ase ekunu ade a me ba be ye no impact amemeki on society any attacks amenya nti me ya aware na me nso me share structures a nyame de be protect me ho ansa me ba social media no nti I don't focus on negative energy they me focus on no positive the amount for can me nim se be boa me no eno na me di ekire nti me da mo nyina ase na and there Sunday say omo kwa asole no nipeku mi no na kwa asole omo muni ada ho still omo kwa asole e check say ne amaye ene omo still omo gidi say ye woni peni bi wo kwa nyankopon wo kasa obi ante ye woni pa kakra bi omo nko na nyankopon kakra kai wo kasa omo te omo yusu nyankopon din e de make money nti na Sunday de asofo no mo nkwan be ye de because ika e ko offering bowl ne mu nyina no ekosofo butom enti the moment ya uhunu se edan a sebe o man panyini krantumi nsi osofo osi na car cocaine dealers na eto car ye bu se Isaka wafo Isaka wafo na eto na uhunu se asofo oto sa car no abrawo member no bicycle no kra wuntumi ntobi na wa adwen kira wo se wiase be sei nyemfe wiase nko ba bia ende menua wo Kristo ni beda wase pa se wote ho na obi papa obi maame ese wo no nyankopon kasafa de so na ura bebia nyankopon wo na ye de bowl bi esi ho ye fa no offering bowl de bia no di sikatum be mo tia ase se o man na mu aye den no enye se ye blame mpanyimfo ni too much na wonim so man na mu aye den won sika kakra wukura no se wo kasa ube invested that money a sika na wo beba mfa so de ama ema omampanyini kura no onfa weni nto ne so me ka kire mo se me de 625 Ghana me nua tie me 625 ena me de register Alliance Emotion Global and 625 Ghana no me de atoka me de rent dan me mba baako 9 sa 625 no eno na me de hwe om school ema mu nyina go preparatory school me ma no last born ne pe no start school en kai ni na wo preparatory school enti se wote ho se o man ni mu ayeden ne sika kakra wo de bebo bra wo de betua wo rent wo de betua wo medical bills na wo see wo de kwa so seed aso dem wo de koma nyankopon amemo ate ase se nyankopon God doesn't need your money enti o man ne mu aye den na ho kire aye bi nya ba bi nda no I blame asofo asofo na ejiji se ska no because the richest institution is the church sika kwa aso dem eye more than tax ayetua enti wo tua less money see emfa ye ka kwan wo tua less money see emfa see schools wo tua less money see emfa ye infrastructures emfa building factories now you put lots of money in the church claiming say the man yankopon a na ma ye ho kire ye no because sika no asofo no ngine once a week omun jiska once a week within the week na asofo ji whisker be 4 or 5 times obeko we counseling obeko meku obeko Friday all night obeko Saturday special na wako Sunday enti sika asofo ne gi free members within the week no me nuanye asemketwa enya asemketwa o a ye kan wo te ho no se bu ye nipa 20 na mu yina mu gu US na every Sunday mutia we $10 every Sunday Wednesday utia $10 na we sow seed we $100 every month ya na we coffee ni ama $20 ya pepa cho sika sen and now they to offer bowl him every week ti afini be kwa wie ya no sofo ne multi-millionaire esan say osofo no wa leverage on the members leverage you find the system of the rich you are working for yourself until you will scale be make it because you are self-employed and you will be or others working for him as so for it to say there are people who are working for them and some of your members 5,000 so for now leverage on the 5,000 members and no jim please it is a consultation fee and a year 200 Ghana na nipa 100 kwa 200 Ghana times 100 and if any leverage and so for the be ye jam so for the betunya to dan ya wuntu mentor so for the better car wuntu mentor enye nyankopon na de man it is not God eye mu members no and mama so for ne die ti so for kira bosom de me penasem o ba no a kira consultation fee Reverend Bofo says ya metu chairman Reverend Bofo says ya common sense nkwa no de ya so ne se wotia na wu mu ade na wanya kunu a ono de obebo mpa ya ma na se wu mu ade a wanya kunu that means prayer doesn't give husband a character mama yensu nyansa o mama yensu nyansa na se wo sofo ko ba bia sofo de ko ba bia o hia police escort any bodyguard na sofo de to make catch say ewurade na bo nipa ho ban a mo ani na ho mo ani na ho tanka ewurade na bo nipa ho ban nyankopon eno ye bambofo a anka sofo no ni fie no enye se wato fence wall
o da bi
asandi security eyi wires ya electric wo megu so e won kraman 4 sango security guard mienu sango ne special bodyguard na we catch us say beto ne sticker na ne sticker e be bo ho ban na wo be bi yi a na wo problem I don't know whether Christians of today you believe in Jesus or you believe in your pastors. Now the pastors are more famous than Jesus. Yes, I go be solid, not because say when you focus on Jesus here and come to me akwa solibia. Essence solibia bo Jesus din. Reverend Bofo obo Jesus din. Obinim obo Jesus din. Opambo obo Jesus din. Kum Chacha obo Jesus din. Apai Life obo Jesus din. Asofo na Danka Williams is with Anaba Dake Ward Mills. Omo na bo Jesus din. Enti asoli awoko no eye Jesus inti na awoko a ankesa se wutumi ko asoli bia. But esan say ye Jesus na mudi omochi. Na emom eye enipa no na mudi omochi nti no. Enti wutumi ko Reverend Bofo ho a. Na o say Reverend Bofo nyankopon medawase. Bishop Obini nyankopon medawase. Ajen Asare nyankopon medawase. TB Joshua nyankopon medawase. Enti the fact say mu bo nyankopon dia mu de sofo ni din na start na kire say enye Jesus nchen na moko na emom sofo ni tumi ene the source of power no eno na mu de ekire hwe Yamunma yenye mpanyimfo e wa adwene mu. Let us be mature in the brain. Mesramo, I am not stupid. Medical catch the whole of the African continent na mechanical is not too known. Many Jewish rabbis debating on the scriptures and they were found wanting. Nobody can stand it when it comes to the Bible. And yet too known na Bible ne mesua myself share history. But be any out the far ubenya utredi dim e wo me Abraham side. It is the American two things. It is either you accept my message or you start attacking me and insulting me. You cannot disprove me. To me, Tiyen ya be maybe so question. Na me sure say enyo no nko na was a question no. Nipa bebere was a question no. Nipa bebere was me say we sofo, we atoli panyini, we Christoni, o ji sofo di. Oh hwemi. O si Abraham ye bonsam na o tu mfuturo gu nipa ni a. Ye mpedede. Opa, mon free debate. Moi so dem wa. Either say 1 week they hear topics at all. Guys, we are from debate. Omo Kumasi. You are from spotlight of the word was then. Na Church of Christ for paying the back when emisa. Your water crowd no. Yeah, me no share debate. Now boy no so ye Church of Christ member. I don't debate church members. There be the pomo mo ti apono. He me pe Pentecost asoli panyin. He me pe the other Pentecost ya no. Say see ano mesramo. Asofo mfiamfia no. Mo bia mframe debate. Be no abet still I want to debate you. When Fina no see Abraham Edwane, I wonder say Obia say yen Edwane. That be say we with all due respect, say inter allies, Real Madrid friendly match. Now Real Madrid the kase wo ma. Enye inter allies no sro. There be Real Madrid also inter allies, but the difference is too clear. Nti mu bia mu frame debate ya. Me hwe mo ho ne mo ano ne mo punchlines na. E be rape case so nti we ye dede na ajeje wano a na mehwe na ya asole panyini a na me de wa ma Yahuda manfa ma Yahuda na me de wa ma Haji Abi Moshe me so wa gero be gwa mo say yes logic here aduma wow akwesi ewu obia friend wo so mba nti akwesi ewu ade munya ne dintai o so no nye debate na no ye den otumi twa ansante hene adapa but debate de omba me say wo a wo se wo ji wo hudi wo ti apo wo sua book no na Bible no ni mu no we nya Abraham ye ena medwe wa menti say oh don't follow that guy is demon possessed. I don't know whether it is my punchlines which you don't accept or it is your Bible that I quote that you don't accept. Meaning some punchlines no na no odema wo se Bible na me quote na winyin ni o mo bo me no. I know what I'm doing. I know the impact this message is doing. I am very proud of myself. You share your videos, we are proud of ourselves. Cause your messages, you share impact a message they make here. Meaning, multi message na say me ya school. People who have qualifications, people who can read and write, people who can see and lie. Still multi message na say no. I pity them. I pity them. Say, you me any message no me bebo wrong. Me bo ne question ni wi na ma mano anu yi. Why? Auntie, ye gina be ya so na yeti ye me abe ma ne question. No mu post tu na omo ya no toughest question a. Me nim question be bisa me ntumi yi ya no. Minimum make you say minimum. One of the toughest question for Abraham bin Moshe. Tough question. Any ban. Network na you low. Network na is low kakra Mr. Mwameba.
Echa Ghana phone ya me say wa won sa be ka video we bia me say share ma enkodu Abraham bin Moshe yeah so he doesn't need a book. There is God sure better than happy. He is a critical thinker. Abraham bin Moshe, common sense family. any Pastor Lee. I said, no, Fabi Mokin Kaya only competition. Or Saka Casa will be Bengali. When you go on Ishano, or occupation. That's it, I can't want this baby, you know. Or don't put it in Pano, so you know the ball. The more you got it left up, so you know. You better stop, because I'm very good on the share the ball. If you get to know what is on it, 9 branches. That's an on your papa, tiger, Mount Brucey. Mr. Rabona, you will know be our free choices. If you want to see a master, any of them punching. When we got no atty, being a no punches. As of what I the back, Mr. was 7 many chances. I tell it, and then I'm jumping to the practice. No prayer, back, can we can be clear justice? One will know, my son, I will be in the year. They can't ask for a young one who yet did the cheer. Can I want my son to the young over here? And no, that's not your part. To me, be a cheer. And we'll shave, and we'll shave, and we'll shave. On this size, and we'll shave, and we'll shave, and we'll shave. Where, best size, and we'll shave.
Yeah, abusuafoɔ deɛ mɛsrɛ mo agya mo amonim Ghana network ofa ha so asɛm bundle ne tem but yɛ connect tie agya yakɔpɛ foforo na yɛde yɛ tie sɛ de meka yɛ no and then no yɛn we bi na ebisa question yɛn we bi na ebisa question about the existence of Jesus anti pɛ sɛ me bɔ ne audio no yɛ video ba pese mo amutie question no beside na yama na no yi na bebre kra say
people is wear glasses malon aka father na to ni team what you say be Ghana for ina me say wa won sa be ka video we bia me say share ma enkosu Abraham Bemoshi ani yeah Abraham Bemoshi common sense family me share mu nyina me da ma say any effort am put because me so me a common sense family member because you show me common sense. And my follow Abraham Swatcher or buy and what I can't say between Oshibu so now they compare a normal I am for Ghana and we say yes, on point. But a normal beach and I'm a visit in Bisa. Now, if I was it, will be some for any alpine. And I say, and I say, so fear you be son or winning 10 times. Abraham Bemushi and Yumaba say, well, I want to Bible and I say, send me that's what I am. Tis a me say, I don't just say, be a form of that, and I say, may attack it, there be may attack it. But me, we said, it's a me as a sell so I'm not wanting. No me yan on my end, not Ghana for one. I say, one more so drinks and a may drain, or what you was it. One, Abraham Bemushe said, the Bible, New Testament, was invented. Was it Jesus Christ story? No. Was invented as a mokaya, maybe a common sense member. Jesus Christ, the story of Jesus Christ was invented. But my question is, recently we made a video, and then so myself became a Koswahili and a ESL video of Israel discussion. Israel discussion now Koswahili Koya, or Betia. Yes, if we did a for 3 fishes, 5 bread, or defeat 5,000 people, or at the same time, or River Jordan. At the same time, baby, what in the Shuna for Namua, woman coach fish, the women uncle saw any alcohol, if you are life on a buy. Emma will be some man for some questions, Emma, we are no my you say, a honey, Israel, and Jesus Christ, a 29 year. Abraham say, the story of Jesus Christ was invented. Until me, Bisani say, River Jordan, invented. Area na, and Koswahili Koya, invented. You know that me, Bisa, and yet talking, but me pursue now until we meet you. So, see, the story of Jesus Christ was invented there. Sa areas now, Koswahili Koya, and Wohoro. And we invented, and now me pursue Becca Sibia, who much that creative. Because Ghana you will museum museum na Ghana no ya santoa mo ma bi o ma ye ukomasi adunu a you will museum tete nuoma no a na etwam na yakora za tete nuoma no nti obi obekọ obi a ye ka ho abakosam ye ne akire that means sa nuoma na ewo ni nyina no emiri bi esi atwam tete fo ne ye ne eyusu ye. Abraham said the Jesus Christ story was invented. enti mesra no River Jordan ye bo Yesu asu ewo mu no eda Israel ankoso hene ko ho de ne nsa bo mu any areas bi man koso hene ko ya yenim say eye Jesus time na saa no man ko so be so say invented that omra no me kire say eti esi den say saa no man ewo ho na tu Abraham be Moshe me panicho wako Israel da o me di sansem we nyina no because my confused they are common sense family member but o can't say Jesus Christ in the story no was invented and it so to me ma me say saa no man nyina anya no kure na saa no man no ye invented they are na ma hu say affiliates me follow common sense na I'm being fully supporter madam asi we nya bufu and we nya attack we a common sense member me ni matter question Mr. Abraham him say na adu mu do wo mra no me kire ye mu na enti ase say Jesus Christ story was invented
yo ebusiafo am say yenu no question ni nie wow but me de video ne to ho say me be ansa ne pe me hu say nkrofo bi type say this is a foolish question no me nya de sa we bet me bisa question bi a it doesn't make sense to you but anu ye ne beba no bia na akoboa obi foforo nti o say me ne question na no ye obi o ho a either say your common sense ni o onye common sense ni o every question is a question every answer is an answer say we a teacher now bisa bofra say 1 + 4 a question akoda ne ka che o say 50 a answer it is either right or wrong or ma answer nti every question is a question every answer is an answer nti ye nua ne question no before me ba question so no ma menye announcement kakra na ye Mwamunim quantum pendant apostle Joseph de no in the end bombing san for radiation ye wi ni abaye nua ne question so and then we ni beje pa obisa me question say me see Jesus never existed na mako Israel da na me person bisa ye nua ne say abrofo ne the Bible ne bra ye no ombefa ye nananom edwomko Israel ansa ye agi atum ana wo Bible na ugidi enti Jesus gidi na hukuta no you don't believe in Jesus because you went to Israel you believe in Jesus because of the Bible and then me imagine Bible ne so na me disprove ni de who be some say mako Israel and you not going to Israel and believing in Jesus means one mean ye mesramu e mamoma yenya mmofra wa adwenim serious ye punch lines ni nyina no enye historical evidence nemum eye Bible na ti me wie na ma ba historical aspect na so enti apostle de ne 200 Ghana for radiation and na de to so biom ye ya ye de no Alliance Motion Global de no any where ye the telephone nechi your friend no energy ti wo hwe me iPhone nechi a ene tale ho no eno so for radiation eno ye 50 Ghana ena your company no your soap no amazing soap we na me digale ena P black so digale P black tuntum na tuntum kama wotum say yes etija yere eni a deep cleansing and whitening bar we for wrinkles stretch marks assign anti-aging and assign detox your system assign detox system no into your bar now he be 30 Ghana and I assign what feminine wash with the man no misramu nyina ma no me pamochaw e ma no se yankopon bo mo japade no wensiesie ho a the problem beba anti we no anti-aging and esama obase eche kama and infection bia no man neko and mema so die ni we masculine wash the whole world Alliance Motion Global pen will be for mema for infection and esam boa me be ma no enlarge kakra and ma ye be ma no mo yede and ye wo yi choko ni we ba kan ho and ye wo ene tofe no and ye wo ba kwa fe no man choko ya milu Ghana koko ya and mo de 16,000 nutrients organic 16,000 nutrients ye gum boa ye ni ye sugar level cholesterol level ni ade and esam contain DHA ni for the brain DHA no nyama bebre ye DHA ni bi o ya adwen mu ba nduane bi a ye di condiment no ne toxic ye mu no ma DHA ni ba down ti ubo a na ma DHA ni ti obi a ne rete fiade ana akoda bi a onye brilliant to school o man wana aboa no e na we so ye living coffee we enye robusta coffee we arabica coffee alkaline na eboa neutralize any acid in our system o pese wo da wo no mo abeda hibiscus me hu ma wakwaba enti ye wo 4 flavors ye wo cappuccino latte sugar free any original eboa ma be ma so ejina na so kama sai contain 16,000 nutrients and ye what toffee ni toffee but it put 16,000 nutrients for nkwada odi office di toffee but eboa the system no ti me wi e side no and we ye nsuo papa no ma Paradise Park mineral water ye nua be ma baby jet ni nsuo no and the tosu biom ye me ka chem se me start football and person me boa youth ne kakra ti obi apeso be support no betumi aba no abeboa phone bianco off anti wa person be support with jersey with football boot near there no you are welcome and your business Alliance Emotion Global help us so join here and also be WhatsApp me send me the business information na me the Alliance Emotion Global you know me the amount come and Dubai 4% about Dubai any UK for the 2% join the Dubai group any UK Dubai any UK for now US near there later and Dubai any UK and I make creative WhatsApp group the official CSF group no and what Telegram app near friend the Telegram no and download the Telegram o download the Telegram pe now send me message say me add you to the group my number need the money 0244 856241 0244 856241 and my number no and as I see as me Instagram Abraham778 Abraham778 ti me da mo nyina ase ye nua be ma ne question na ne say me see Jesus on existed me the Bible no na akere say Jesus existed na Jesus story no was invented and no say ye fro bi enkoso wanyene na enkoso wanyene akọ Israel na okọ Israel no yakọ ni bebia Yesu edi brodo mienu ene brodo mienu ene enam 5 efidi nkrofo no yakọ kire no ene yakọ kire no River Jordan ena ya kire ni bebia Yesu ni esuafo no kọ kire nam no ena River Jordan wo enti obi sam say say you invented Jesus story na den na River Jordan wo ho na yetumi a kire no bebia Jesus di brodo mienu ene enam efidi nkrofo no ena ne question ba ko biom no say me see Jesus existed da obi sam say mako Israel da na ti me beyi mi nua no excellent question number 1 me say me prove some de ba ya me disprove Jesus nyina no bi gina Bible ne so ye wo history and ye wo Bible enti ye ba ko history no say history crack say Jesus never existed obi say mako Israel da eno me yi ano so obi say o kire me say e wo say ko Israel ansa me hu say Jesus existed and our existia and the Christo ni biara a wonko Israel da a woji Jesus di no say ye nua na asem ye no kure say e wo say metumi ko Israel ansa me hu say Jesus o existed and our existed and amaka Jesus ho asem a and the Christo ni biara wonko Israel da enko hu Jesus evidence no a waji Jesus e di no wedi nkwasi asem with all due respect meaning wedi nkwasi asem wonko Israel da ntia ye dan and waji Jesus e di abra Israel fo na egu ho no omo nya dan omo nji Jesus ni omo si Jesus be wi ase kra oye nipa enti me point lines na be kra no say Jesus exists yo Jesus was exist yo he is not whom we were told he is say Jesus ya Messiah e was say o prove so ya Messiah me the Bible na check e onye Messiah Messiah no or ye descendant of King David Jesus enso a oni papa enti on free David ebusu mu ma kire dada say Jesus by Messiah e was say or ye a descendant of King David David so ye bema it was say for David ne ba bema so Jesus enso a ne maame Mary according to the New Testament no Mary every Lewi ebusuam and ne papa Joseph and the free David fie o free David fie Joseph no free David fie no so a enye ne ba enti Jesus oya abanoma nso di ade a enye ye enti no what mean go Israel da David I don't need to go to Israel because going to Israel will not change anything whilst we have the inspired word enti when na was say prove say Jesus abewi ase da enye Israel number 1 or say enkoso hini through Israel ye kire ni bebia Jesus di brodo mienu any enam brodo mienu ni enam 5 eya miracle me ba cha enkoso yin no ko Israel okohu brodo no di aka any enam no di aka ana okoto Jesus ena nipa okoto no obisa the question no nipa no so we Jesus da it's the person telling you this was the place Jesus did it no it's not an eyewitness no all can asem na oni evidence bia it is a see no ya tell River Jordan ma menche wade bi Anansi story na me say Anansi na oti Kumase kwada so na Anansi na yere ya fa ni intikuma ene na akohwea na Kwaku Anansi yare e me ye de ne kotu G ne ba chew Kwaku Anansi never existed but Kumase existed G existed kwada so existed until the places omo invented the Bible omo yes smart people they invented the story of Jesus and fixed it into history and to be geographical location just say yes assassin ho River Jordan ho but they say ko do River Jordan ho Jesus no nante apo ne so ba cha onam so bio no they don't say nsuo ni nie until no evidence after baby Jesus dey so afọ koche nam no pa cha oduru no uko hu Peter na sefo and Jesus na nkasa ne ma me Mary ne papa Joseph omo ebusuafo we and uba Ghana na wo pe ya santo ho asem a ya santo na sefo ye den e wo ho wo pe Kwame Nkrumah story Kwame Nkrumah ne nananom ne mba ye den e wo ho wo pe otumfo osai tutu di odikan ne history a ne busuafo ye den e wo ho wo pe konfo anochi ne story a konfo anochi ne fie e wo ho pa cho Jesus ne fie mo kwa ne mo koto ne busuafo mo koto Mary maame ne Mary the descendant mo koto Joseph descendant King Solomon kro wo owale baako 1000 the descendant baako kra yeni and to me is smart. They invented the character and fixed him into history. And see, remember what you said. What may also be a very great question, but the question doesn't carry weight. Doesn't carry weight. Into evidence, and even including people who wrote the 4 Gospels were not eyewitnesses. The book of Matthew, you're trying Matthew, not trying, and to an eyewitness. The story of Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Even the Bible, Nankasani Yokurano, Omo Jesus and Wasam, they were not eyewitnesses. They didn't see Jesus. On the portrait, majority of the New Testament, Paul. Paul, yes, we see for Anyade, on count. Paul also Jesus and so Anyade. Where uno, until Paul, only Jesus were baby. Until you Christians, you've based your entire existence and your entire life on the story. Which might be true or false. Or the pakro no actual book. So Yesu di. Na Yesu di ensenche na no. Yesu kro hu ne da. Do you the book of Matthew? Enye Matthew. Where hu Jesus na. Do you Luke kra de okan no kre. The writer of Luke spoke the truth. Say asem no tie no ya den. Na ba cho atesem. Ya de yan kwaje atoso. Obi atesem. Enti yan kan Luke 1:1. After na me the Bible no be dis bu a kire. Wow. That became broken. Luke chapter 1 verse 1. Draw through the gospel of Luke. No, other catchers or not, yes, and profo can also actually. Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy, Jew for no crane in the portrait. Almost see Moses in a tray, and you Moses in a tray. People are king kind. Luke 1:1. Listen to the English. Luke 1 verse 1.
Luke 1:1.
You see, Luke is coming to give facts about Jesus. Let's look at where he got his fact from. AD 321. And a Constantine and invented our concept. No more creative piece of family creative at what that. To me about the more point I just said Jesus never existed. There be Jesus be a yesterday. Can Bible in your people like near Babem.
Luke 1:1.
Luke 1 verse 1.
Dear Theophilus.
And Luke was writing a letter to Theophilus. So the gospel of Luke was not even a gospel. It is even a letter. Letter from Luke to Theophilus. Continue.
Dear Theophilus.
So Luke is saying, dear Theophilus,
Many people have done their best.
many people have, this book is not inspired.
Yeah.
Many people have done their best
To write a report of the things that have taken place among us.
to write the report of the things that are taking place among us. That means the story of Jesus that has taken place among us.
Yeah.
Many people have taken upon themselves to write.
Yeah.
Continue.
They wrote what we have been told.
They wrote what we were inspired to write.
They wrote what we have been told.
No, they wrote what God gave us.
No, they wrote what we have been told.
They wrote what we have been told
By those who saw these things from the beginning.
by those who saw these things from the beginning.
And-
Na so no Luke no obi na ka kire no e na oye den o kire.
Yeah.
Na asem obi aka kire na wo kire. Evidence be na wo.
Aye.
Yeah, enti ono no cho the book of Luke kura so obi na ka kire na me kire.
Aye.
Ah. No obi fiefo mu aba. Hey, sister Adwa. Sister Adwa. Wo kunu no ni obi da no. Wo kunu na ni obi da no.
Omuye.
Da bi mete. We ya de adwuma. Enti mo Christopher mo enter salvation. Any sika mo de to aso dem no. Eye ensam a onipo no po churo ye no oni evidence. Yeah ba. And the stories in the New Testament are not accurate.
Yeah.
Esun de Matthew Troy. Esun de Mark Troy. Esun de Luke Troy. And esun de John Troy. Nyame asem me Abraham ye wo me ba akopɛ. Ye wo me one way. Ye nyinsa me one way. Me go schools am ekwa no. Eye the same. And to be control different thing pe eye ntro. Afa book na ye se Nyankopɔn asem. A echinje ni ho a hon kronkron na ma ye try no eye den e na hon kronkron e ma look e tro different thing the same hon kronkron e ma mark e tro me be try mo fact e ma mark e tro different thing the same hon kronkron e ma look e tro the same thing e ma John tro the same thing but hon kronkron na na ni ku ana na wura fi ade yeah ma me nchiro I mean my punchlines ni eh try say book we mean to fa me ho to so dabi yanko we ebra yakobo yesu asembiem no ebo awia 12 o'clock awia 12 na Jesus owahi ye be kan Mark na yakokan John na kire me dia memfa eda na obi ka chem say translation mistake do be so kire me say Nyankopon God the most powerful being in the universe and his son Jesus omo to me protect your document me Abraham po me bomodin say document ya me kura bi na be accurate ya say the be ya me passport any me voters ID date of birth no e be tally ye mpanyimfo mpo omo ye nipa ye de omo si edwuma no a ye pese omo de say omo de invoice e ba invoice no e tally na Nyankopon boss no asase ono ni document when to me am document ho ban ya that I cannot trust this God. A God who cannot protect his own document is not powerful. Okay. And what we are to answer when you yet yana brofo de ship by no the book be share yensem. One go Israel ko check it. One ko bisa and now to catch am say me ma ko Israel. Aden na also ba Jesus ye di no. One fa ka ko Israel. Anko catch Jesus ye maba na me ba ji wedi. Ma me evidence. Be black. Be area 12 o'clock ye boy Yesu asendiem no na Yesu he nti Matthew chapter 2 Mark chapter 12 anamebwa Mark 15 25 me pa chaw about 12 o'clock according to Mark na Jesus when read
Mark 15:25
Mark chapter 15 verse 25
it was 9 o'clock in the morning
it was 9 o'clock tia nti Luke say 9 a.m. in the morning
when they crucified him.
Na just say anopa 9 according to Mark 9 anopa yabo Jesus asembiem. Until 12 o'clock na Jesus went continue.
It was 9 o'clock in the morning.
It was 9 o'clock in the morning
when they crucified him.
When they crucified him.
The notice of the accusations against him.
The notice of the accusation against him said
the King of the Jews.
The King of the Jews.
They also crucified 2 bandits with Jesus.
They also crucified 2 bandits with Jesus.
One on his right.
And
the other on his left.
And the other one on his left.
They beat him.
Verse 33. After 12 o'clock, Jesus went.
33.
When we say 9 o'clock, Jesus tell you into common sense. 12 no Jesus no way. What tell you so? People are can bem
at noon.
At noon. Noon 12 o'clock. Obi entie. Enti Mark say at noon
The whole country was covered with darkness.
Not Jesus started cross also at 12. The whole country was covered with darkness.
Which lasted for 3 hours.
Which lasted for 3 hours.
At 3 o'clock.
At 3 o'clock.
Jesus cried out with a loud
Jesus
shout.
cried out with a loud shout. Elohi, Elohi, lama sabachthani. Meaning, according to Mark, about area 12 o'clock, no, not Jesus started assembly. According to Mark, Jesus was on the cross at noon 12. After Yanko John chapter 19, verse 12.
John 19:12.
The only way to reject a book as the word of God is to look for one human error. Nyankopon ye mistake. God is all knowing, God is all wise. Enti Nyankopon can asem a etwem 1,000 years. God doesn't need to make a mistake because God is all knowing. Asem be si daache Nyankopon can e was say accurate esan so nim daache. Mo Bible na mo say Nyankopon asem no. Mark say anopa 9 o'clock na yabo Jesus assembly 12 o'clock no talibia no so afei John the also no ogina ho enti kan John de ne
Luke 19:12.
Luke chapter 19 verse 12.
When Pilate heard this,
he
tried to find a way to set Jesus free.
Na sabra no Jesus ogina Pilate yanim enti when Pilate heard this, Pilate was looking for a way to set Jesus free.
But the crowd shouted back.
But the crowd shouted. That means Jesus was in front of the crowd.
Yeah.
The crowd shouted back.
If you set him free,
if you set Jesus free,
that means
you
are not the emperor's friend.
You are not the emperor, Caesar's friend.
Anyone who claims to be a king is a friend against the emperor.
Anyone who claims to be a king is a threat against the empire.
When Pilate heard these words,
he
took Jesus outside.
He took Jesus out. Jesus is not on the cross yet. Yeah. He took Jesus outside
and sat down on the judge's seat.
In the
place called the stone pavement. In Hebrew, the name is Gabbatha.
It
was then almost noon of the day.
Now what 12? Let's just say area 12 o'clock. According to John, not Jesus age na trial. But Mark can so say 12 o'clock. Not Jesus talibiano so. People are kind.
It was then almost noon of the day.
Before the Passover.
Pilate said to the people,
Here
is your king. They shouted back. Kill him. Crucify him.
According to John, 12 o'clock, Jesus. Now you're born assembly and I say Ojina Pilate in China. So I don't need historical facts. All that I need is your book you call divine.
Oh yeah.
After you check it back, what you want to na mudio? Well, my book way Bible well, my book no. Make my your Bible be at you. I've learned this book 16 continuous years. Now so far for Bible school 3 weeks. I don't compare. Chiakai, me when you dey heaven, me when you dey heaven, me heaven, Banja, heaven, my vice president to heaven. When you dey heaven, Chiakai. This document. And no more na ya ba kunsunie. Wow. The entire said, I don't need to go to Israel. I just need to check the passages, the written passages, whether the guy existed. I will know. Jesus, you're going to send me. I'm see about Jesus any akronfo mienu. Okay, Majiatu. But I send you an so. I'm say obi didi Jesus yatem. Maybe some say, akronfo mienu ni nyina na didi Jesus yatem anaba akope. Maybe some say, eyomu mienu ni nyina. Baka chem say David. Now with Jesus from now we hear no ba akope e no kan say say Jesus woni Nyankopon ba no je wo ho na je ye e na ba akone ka kire say fa nkwase asem so ho je mom ne adi nkwase asem na Yesu de onya hwe e no ka say Yesu we uduru wahene mu aka mo you are confused according to Mark 15:32 Mark 15:32 mo hwe dey see
Mark 15:32
mo book na me check I don't need to go to Israel when na mo see Nyankopon asem na tumi ya shemu ma na when they did Yesu no dance I don't need to go to Israel. I just have to check the document here. What's a car ya what they are? I don't need to come to your house to know the car is yours. I need the document. Simple. Your house doesn't prove anything. Assassin da wa. Assassin ya wo diam na yetie o. Document. So I don't need to go to Israel. I don't need baby Jesus at night. I don't need baby brodomienu. Brodomienu ni now 5. All that I know is I have to check the documents of Jesus. Can you about them?
Mark 15:32.
Mark chapter 15 verse 32.
Let us see the Messiah.
Let us. Okay, Brechi kakra. Brechi.
Verse 31 coming.
Verse 31. Mark 15:31. Kind.
In the same way,
the
chief priests and the teachers of the law jeered at Jesus.
That means they insulted Jesus. Now she camera and P black. Why?
Saying to the other,
he
saved others.
And he saved others,
but he cannot save himself. Let us see the Messiah.
The
King of Israel.
Come
down from the cross now.
Jesus. Come down from the cross now.
And we will believe in him.
And
the two who were crucified with him. And the two who were crucified with Jesus. Insulted him also.
What point in the
And the two who were crucified with Jesus insulted him also.
Yeah. The two people insulted him. Luke chapter 23, verse 43. Luke 23:43. This book can never be the word of God. Obi naturally. Who person me hu Nyankopon book wa? Nyankopon mo si oba mountain sina. Nyankopon de nensa esi aboba so the Troy. That means God can write. So I was saying me hu God chapter 1 verse 4. God says. Can not verse 43. Luke 23:43.
Jesus said to him.
Ba kone si omumienu na didi na tem. Afehwa.
Jesus said to him, I promise you that.
I promise brechi kakra. On check it when na o se me mayela. Me na mesua book na wie no. Na religious people ankasa mo emmobo. Me na o se mayela no. I know your book more than you. O ya nkrani, o ya fantini. Na me mampurusini. Mesua asante culture, mesua asante amamre. Na mesua ashanti history more than you are. I am more of an Ashanti than you because you don't know where you come from.
Yeah.
If you don't know your history, then when you know your history, you know where you are coming from. I know the historical background of this book. When your Bible was invented, now who are when your research? Ya who anam Yesuni wa yo wasma ha ilele. Na me na mesu book no me say why ya la wo bu afu. Et say the work of doctor ho. Oko na doctor ne ye wo lab e na doctor ne ye wo test e na doctor ne say yale na wo yale no e ye malaria o beduru fia me Abraham me mbo doctor degree biara me catch am say e ye hepatitis ya ye tie wan de wo sua ene de o Canada me mesua me kire wo so for Canada ya o say my pastor says listen to your book.
Luke 23:36 coming.
Luke chapter 23 verse 30 verse 36 coming.
The soldiers also mocked him.
They
came to him and offered him cheap wine.
They came to Jesus and offered him cheap wine. They said, Save yourself.
If you are the king of the Jews.
And
above him were written these words.
This
is the king of the Jews. One of the criminals hanging there insulted. One of the criminals hanging there held insult at him. I say criminals too no back on Jesus. Anyway now him. Unto the Messiah. Save yourself. The other one, however, rebuked him saying, Don't you fear God? You receive the same sentence he did.
Jesus Jesus na mo hwe ne Luke de no. Won say Mark abo usulia. Say obumi anu na didi na tem. Enti me sra me nua. I don't need historical anything. Why? Fan say we ade omo ye nie. If you do not have a past, you have to create a myth to prove your existence. Fan say baby a wenye duri o 30 years. Wonimu mame, wonimu papa, wonim kura wo free so. Said ya beya wenim guasinti one kasa ubetumi create a myth to prove your past. You be can say okay meti Asante ti maka kire obi asa de Asante ni na me papa your friend no Frank Asante me mama your friend no Dina Opambo meka se me free Edum Kumase one kasa unip past no and na wo create myth e dey akere say what yase enti wo hia obi na kasa o yasantini na ofe edum kumase a obagie dia no onyi obagie di sa no mo ye book no and na de to so biom ye Jesus story na wunim wo Bible nim no e wo da in every culture I find pagan mythology e wo da enti the upper Google 16 crucified the messiahs who go Egypt here thousands of years before Jesus na Jesus na story no ne ma me ye virgin owo no owo 12 disciples wanante eposo obie ni frafo ani odi brodomienu enamba akobako 5 efidi nkrofo ye fa the lamb of God the son of God no na e wo hoda e wo Egypt ye fa no Horus anamwa ye fa no Horus e wo Egypt woko India na e wo ho ye fa no Krishna enti Hare Krishna no ne maame ye fa no Devaki the same way ye nyinse no ne adopted father or ye carpenter wo ye bonasenwiem owi osole o se wo kwaba e wo India dada enti Christo for the Hare Krishna for ade ba ko na moye so the same thing na wo Babylon ye fa no Tammuz ne maame ye fa no Semiramis wo uko Media and Persia na wo ho Media and Persia na ye fa ni Mitra enti Awurade didie Lord Supper ni na ye the worship of Mitra enti ye ade a e wo ko dada ancient pagan mythological figures and no more attributes no the story of Samson and one Hercules movie Hercules the one den no Hercules no and one Samson what Bible no well do one Egypt for story and do one also we Greece for story and reinvent into historical figures Timesrao why enye Israel no na be kire bibi why because who Israel go to Jesus wo ho one committee Jesus wo ho say Jesus per se ye hu say owotumi a e yade ba akopɛ unim and then me catch them say people who existed half God half man unim say you na half God half man me half God half man won so we half God half man e ye wo na we bu hwanim tia say wo nyanyame wo Bible ne say nyankopon bo nipa e wo ni suban so say ne nsa so de nyame say me ye dote na mum honhom na etimi mu no e ye the divine spark of the unseen God so God lives in me ye nyame metumi ye nyame am obi sesi a me ankasa metumi adane bonsam e de am obi sesi a me ye nyame ne say obi ho akire no na ohia mmoa na wode emmoa no ama no obeka say awo Awurade me daase why na ye man e ye me Abraham se me pese me dane bonsam a eno ne se me bomoden na ma da obi yire na me ni obi yire yakoda me ni obi yire ne da na nipa ni hu a obeka say awo de bonsam de aya me why ne bonsam no e ye me Abraham yente se bonsam akowia bank da yente se bonsam di konkonsa da yente se obi bonsam wakofa ponche to da enye nipa na fa ponche to nipa ha enye nipa na fa obeyire who go jail any prison but bonsam da prison bonsam da jail enye nipa da jail inte dia ne concept o me create be da ye oh me catch them say any god sanka nipa no ko Israel no or ye smart ya who could do what ye kira we say amamenda minua Biscout nana prempe mamenda wasewati Biscout nana prempe yankopon hira ye nua Biscout won wa ya ade bi ma respect ne papa say me catch them say award bi because we US Variety Night Social Media Awards 2018 ya nominate me and ya nominate Biscout nana prempe na category baako the most influential social media personality of the year many Biscout and what the same category na Biscout aya de bia ma respect ne say say Biscout odi kan vote man ne ho na say nra na nra echi Biscout call back no na me menya vote ni bebre the Biscout here and say me hu and then say Biscout every ono ne ho no ade no ne me pre ho no and na wakwa vote amame Biscout masalutu wati. These are the kind of people we need in our society. Woni wunu ya yade na duru baby e wo say wo support eta wo nu echi ya now they are echi. This is what we want Shatawale and Stonebwoy to be doing. We are artists me wo SM ade bi wo Shatawale ya enye won don't do say wo de opa say every day wo twi wo nu esi form aden ya wo ni obi ko competition e duru baby and wo come and support. Oh, I am very bad, but I'm not going to say, Shatawale, ya, the end, more Bianca. Debbie, maybe what SM, maybe yet my boy, maybe Comedas, Stonebwoy Comedas, what do you Comedas? But me SM because I believe in the energy, and I believe in the energy and effort of Shatawale. But you know, ya, dear, or fan coin be sure, just say, or yet you obey ye be a say, or bring somebody down for his. No, it's very bad. It's very bad. And you're very bad. Stonebwoy Shama to the world. On my Shatawale platform. Emma Obeji fans at the Gidin. Perfect. Edru show no by ya. Kedi Orion. Very bad. Very bad. Into ye nipa. Only obi ya de. Only say no. Minuano or Sadie we ya. No the amano. Simple as ABC. Yenja ye nibre. Meme say Stonebwoy. Ube say on every platform. Stonebwoy is fighting for peace. All those at times Stonebwoy or yet carried away. No, so throw punches ama Shatawale because they do baby na wankasa. Na yes usuro no. The pamacha people around Shatawale should tell Shatawale, we a champion. You have the crowd, you have the streets, everybody follow. Me say Stonebwoy claim himself Shatawale say onoko or you lyrically good than you are. Who Shatawale, you have a plus. A chinje be him. When take it time, I'm a bon kokra. Now, my bon kokra no, we better not say. And you people will cry for not supporting each other, for not doing a collaboration. Share, my main cast me chamo. Mo kai movie, ebra you sang. No mo ye great movie mono. A Rambo and a Commando. And you started say you compare Rambo Commando. Omo active movie together da. Omo nyi omo bon kokra no. And omo friend all the stars in movies. What you Sylvester Stallone, Arnold Schwarzenegger, any way Van Damme, any Dolph Lundgren, Red Scorpion, and no mina a movie. And my mom train na monko creme. Na mo meta on regret say, they be American. Me say one day after Ronaldo and Messi have stopped playing football, they will regret say they should at least have played for the same team before. On common one team, no more the KBC. Mama yensuya said ye be boy yenua. Why? Unua ya the pa. Money support. I don't care who I'm not here to compare who the fault is from. I'm not here to compare Stonebwoy and Shatawale. They are in their own corner doing their own thing. They are making us say unua ya dia. Also buano. Simple as ABC. Simple. At the end of the day, they say you put Ghana on the map. Menka said the question Shatawale nkwan le difo na Stonebwoy nkwan le difo. So at here they should put Ghana out there. Ahemfo the Asante Hini empenyumfo bebre kra ya kamo abom. Mo jedien. Mo de wi ase kwan. Tupac kura wu. Michael Jackson kura ko. Mumienu kra ya kamo fame kura bomu a. Mumienu no ya kamo fame kura bomu a. Enduru Michael Jackson fame. Uma yem promote ye ho ne yem kwa yanim. So what you say? Only obi nya adwea na wa find a professional eduru adwuma time na ma ye adwuma ba ma nye wa adwen say unua de ni date hye we ya wo so do date be hye ho say wo ko say ni show enye fine. Big Black no cry ba ko pe na we esema na say wo bi oh me ba cho esamfo no wuchi amene P Black mo fa mo asam ko e no wo bim me mo es why auntie je pen say bibia be koso won mama meri ukunu no wife true love yi ti ye Jesus yi na ye hu be be fa enti mfa chaw mesra mu a ebufo bi anim why Jesus bi ansi ewi aseda omo invent no ne story no ewo ho dadada Jesus story no ewo ho dadada thousands of years na ye myth et se kweku ananse story no mo ya omo de share Bible mu no na ma wagie di wow me kura book bi wa one book yi wow ahanom yi the story of Jesus free Osiris Osiris and the Egyptian resurrection Yesu awewu asole no aha na free ena esan wo Bible ni se si ano book mi enu e de na ba gie ni wo ji we because we dey tete we dey tete say Nyankopon ase but ahanom copy free baby am copy free dey be ka chem say no we a story so you believe in this book because somebody told you it is from God and now checking book now no book baby enu e che say Nyankopon e try even the book of Isaiah wasn't present by Isaiah the book of Jeremiah enye Jeremiah na try Nehemiah enye Nehemiah na try even books na wo Bible nim na kasa e bi na da so no enye omo no mo yeda omo try me nua mo ani na why obi na kopa baby ate e na aturu book amen ka asem kire say kuro bi wo ya friend heaven aka black man bi esi say kuro bi wo so ya friend heaven no bro ni wo pe US ya kokra te sen mo nya papa wo pe US ya kwa e bete now bro ni the book abeshi won sem say je na twen owu a ye frɛ kuro bi na ba chawo owu echi no ye kwaji aketu ya Ecclesiastes chapter 10 na meboa one got Bible ni musia wo 10:9 Ecclesiastes 10:9 Ecclesiastes 9:10 owu echi ye kwaji aketu ya when you papa all the benefits in religion is wait when you die me ntwan na me now me wuna say nobody should ask me question about death because me in this life I haven't died before. We will understand death when we die. I won't allow anybody who is alive to tell me things about the dead. Me mui metiase atiasefo nsem na menim. Ene me watiasefo mpo ene yin na metiase. Na makopre me ho akwakoka ewufu asem. Wa wo Bible no tie Ecclesiastes chapter 9 verse 10 kan
na bibia on sabe kasa obeye no
enti Bible de se men kan kira o se wo ye Kristo ni na wo si wo se obekọ heaven ya men kan kira o se ebra wo ti ase yi ti o wo nyanwu ya wo te hoi bibi biara a wo sabe kasa wo be ye no
fa ho de ye
fa wa ho de nje
na ejuma
enti ni ato nwum se ade bi ya wo sabe kasa wo be je no fa wa ho den nyinara ye ade bi ya when sabe can sell beje no fa wa wodin nyina raje se wo dije je enyum to wa shata wale fa wa wodin nyina rato se wo dije je bolo ba asamwajan fa wa wodin nyina rabo se wo dije je wishia Chris Bongo fa wa wodin nyina rashi ade abebia ye you got me kind of
na bibia on sabe kasa
enti Ecclesiastes 9 verse 10 o se men kan kire say bibi biara won sabe kasa obeya no
fa wa ho odin
na adwuma na tie fa wa ho odin ye na adwuma
ene adwen
tie ene adwen
ni nimde
ni nyansa
eni asama ndo awoko no
ebi ni asama ndo awoko no wote esa goma esa enter your kan brofo no ntie wenya papa wuna kona ntie gold so na wo tie ase ekro hu gold da wenya tie kan no ntie me ko heaven na we said abofo yi nyame aye oh said abofo yi nyame aye said who abofo mu ye rade aye na have you seen angel before ning na ye myth creatures bi o mo ntaban yenu obi ehu bi da obi na edro kire ye o mu ina so ya abrofo won angel black man da and a Bible characters when we Abraham, Moses, Isaiah, Jeremiah, Ezekiel, Daniel, Hosea, Joel, Amos, Jesus, Peter, Paul. I have drawn a black man. What are you telling me? Can not see?
Work hard.
Tia, we are quite the foot. Or say work hard
at whatever you do.
At whatever you do.
Because there will be no action.
There will be no action.
No thought.
No thought.
No knowledge.
No knowledge.
No wisdom.
No wisdom.
In the world of the dead.
In the world of the dead.
Yeah.
There's a deep who are not there. Asa. The entire year Japadi and say, the Bewon Koda be Riasi. Joseph Minyadan, Naminyaka, Namemana Mebre, Asa. So, call. Heaven be or baby, and a Bible, ne Quran, and a deco heaven, anka abrofo, almost study medicine, almost study science, almost study engineering. They will study religion till they die. Or no, bro, not the Bible, ne brewono. In classrooms in the United States, yen teach Bible yen teach Quran what the Bible e go school ko church en kola na you will be jailed o ka say broni agini e na yen ya the compulsory religious and moral education na memeba be fie e di homework bre me yen bisa no konfo anochi asem yen bisa no ya asantoa yen bisa no Kwame Nkrumah yen bisa no say at what age was Abraham circumcised just say age ben e twa Abraham kwati me pa chaw say nye jimi semu a Abraham kwati ya yetwa me ba no de yen Abraham twa le kwati ya de build Ghana economy say nye kwasi asemu a eni jimi semu a eni ebibifo ya to ye nyansa eni enim dia Abraham twa ne be ma e fa no be e na no abobo adaka e na emwo nyina kwahye nti bebia Noah wenyi eduri entontom wura mu wenkum ntontom ehunu se daache akoi be koso malaria wotina ho man tontom wura adaka ni woga se agimi ho the only thing I will do is to tell my people to think so whenever you mention my name Avram bin Moshe the next thing that comes into people's mind is wisdom. When the catcher say you have to be a fool to become famous. Okay. I am the first example. Say when you start using the brain God gave you, when you start making sense, wise people will follow you. Heaven and hell. What the hell? That means situation about a hell. Obi other prison. Enemy and me wofie. Me na me wofie no me enjoy freedom. Heaven, it means a place of pleasure. Place of pleasure. Into maybe any jewa, you are in heaven. And now baby you are in hell. So when the cat near die woka, you are in hell. What they cannot be to Yamawa, you are in heaven. Who could as unyasem near do kojina court, you are in hell. Yeah, condemn near do go to prisons here, you are ending up in hell. Ubefia, you are coming back to heaven to enjoy life. Heaven, hell, God, Satan, yeah, they describe this situation. It's not the real thing. When some you are a baby, you be any war, I would be okuta, wait, that fog no be your crap, pia. Now, why they come when some kind of picture? My now. Why? My now. Sramwa, why? Jesus there. Say Jesus I exist here. E ye ni tumi ene ne nsanchira ni ntianka guy no koduru Israel no. Oduru won ye ka se o minia. Aha na Jesus ema brodo mienu ene enam 5. Odi feed nipa 5,000. Ntianka e hwa na wo so aka se ndie monto brodo mienu ene enam 5. Na mo de mpe nipa 100 e mame. Aha yi amebebo mpa ya frɛ Jesus. Jesus no wo power ne say Jesus ujina hanom eyensenche nyidi maba bepe evidence one pay evidence no waba me na bebo me pressure it is a Jesus me opese me gini dia eyensem a o kan wo Bible na me gina so dia jeje no enti nsem na bi ne John chapter 14 verse 12 Christopher ya be check say Jesus wo power tie adam me catch am me say antoa kra wo power change Jesus to ye Christonia o ye sofo a o de opa invite me ni P Black ene Yahuda ye beba wa so dem wo right would the Jesus din one wo members some mo ye 5,000 mo ye 10,000 mo the Jesus din ne Bible no mo de be broom wia for 6 hours me ni P Black ne Yahuda mo mfa mo Bible ni Jesus no mo mfa ndom yen Abraham P Black Yesu din mu ya dome mo bebreo mo ndom yen 6 hours mo wia ya di kosia 7 snap 2 mo members ni nara me de muni mwasefo e sha nto ansa ni ahwe de wo power simple as ABC o ye so for ji umudi a no afre me enye Jesus na Nyankopon din ya e na Ghana fo mpanyimfo e de soe esembu o man ne fa so ankoma mpanyini bi ba e na okọ soe e wo anto edin mu a obetu edi Ghana sia se minister be ye minister eni man ni bodua eni African power so on boni hudua anka mpacha o metu edi nkwasi asem don't tell me I don't be can Abraham into uji abusumudi don't ask me whether meji abusumudi the question should be who created bosom se abusum nya then blame your God who created the bosom because your God knows bosom onye and no san create bosom ono create bosom wie no and no say oye nyankopon nunkumfo oye jealous wo wa bosom na wie a wo san ne bosom na etwekona akwa so oba wo na aka kire wo kunu say bra kwabana wale foforo ka me ho wale foforo ka me ho na me nko me ntumi wo kunu wale foforo wie ya wo su say bra kwabana ada no aye me boni say oba no be pa na so enti Bible ne say munyankopon se men so bosom and no one person be so bosom no oyire ne ho and obo bosom a it doesn't make sense. The God of the Bible has nothing to do with you. The God of the Bible is for the Jewish people. Enti ne friend Israel nyankopon me pachaw sa nyankopon ne ka kire Israel for say omo ye ne man enti ma Israel ni ndi aboafunu na Israel ni nya aboafunu a wo Ghana na onfa ma ho na yadan na re esan se meme ne wo yesen kraman Israel for na ye ne ba ti the God of the Bible is the God of Israel. We are Ghana ni a pe wo nyankopon achi o man bia no nya nte o munya medi mu ne we Mika 4:5 tie Mika 4:5 obi a wo ni nyame Bible no twese kuro bia wo ni nyame fantefo wo nyame asantefo wo nyame everfo wo nyame mamprusi wo nyame gonja fo wo nyame obi a wo ni nyame na me ka be kira o ka se nyame ba ko na ebo ye nyina ene ya adwen nya pen kan no tie
Mika 4:5
Mika chapter 4 verse 5
na amani mu bia na nti de nyame di mu
na amani mu biara mo amo Bible Mika chapter 4 ana me boa Mika chapter 4 verse 5 kan no tie
na amani mu bia na nti de nyame di mu
na amani mu biara enanti ni nyame di mu na yen Israel for die
ye be nanti Awurade nyankopon di
ye be nanti Yahweh ye nyankopon di mu esa goma kan dwom no tie
Mika 4:5
ai ever ni a wo refi ever to Shiaka why you la change bibia woni me say otumi nyina wo wachi obi ko onko ni kurum oso okọ ni kurum abeyifo be chenare me ka chaw abeyifo no mani abie omo afi nkurase omo abakra omo ne nyina na yusu iPhone se woni mu a abeyifo mo jai san kwase ade no ko kurum na ko ya che kan no tie wo ko gina so dem mu a etu a mutu nyina ko mu fie se me bo mi nsem a ye tutuo enkom papa fie enkom mami fie o janhye won o dia wo ewiase a wo bai ufie tumi e na de bia wo didi o mata on bra wo akwantu on bra wo bre and so first no be betu kwan a na wakofie na wakofre busua panyini me ba betu kwan akwa abruchiri na ya fre busua no mu mpanyimfo na omo de ensa ana ensuo na busua panyini eyi apaye twedi ampon kwa ma jensa asase ya jensa na no wansamanfo ya sramo we bie kwa ma mo de hye kronkron obekọ kwesi buroni men muni ma aborofo bebo yen na yankase etutu ya na yakọ okwe de beye musuo de beye san de beye ohaw ma ne mpare no de bie kwan ma no jodi ni bedi muni ni ndi maye na mo nshira won kontrol abroche 3 weeks pa ne wanya adwuma 1 month na osaka papers enti average ya ubetumi abefie oti abroche na wo sori ya na wa ye Western Union o di ama so for se so for mo mpa ye ma so for no be start nya medwuma so for na yetuntum on so wada ne kokọ well minim sradi asofo ne sa and odi phobia just say wonye odi fo kokọ a yankopon so ye yie small boy o be start asole na hwe nenim ne na fon won na nse di wa na fon ne fu aba won ka asofo ne dem ma adwene nya dwuma adwene anya dwuma body ne bre Mika chapter 4 verse 5 people are kind on tie na ko bi asofo question kan no tie
na amani mu bia na nti de nyame di mu
amai ni mu biara Wait, verse we say metumi ko to Bible verse we be wiase hu kurada na mo Christmas day adia me de ba mo Christmas day say Christmas na ya santefo amamra be ka kire me say Christmas ya dagatefo amamra be ka kire me ko US na ko UK na ko Italy na ko keso mudi abo a kire wo ha ko heso mudi akwamo so mudi kwamo wa abrofo ne ba Africa omo be ti amazing stories of our heroes omo afa ba akokra nko Ometi Kwame Nkrumah a confirm story. Obroni bi ankwachira ne ba. Oh say Jesus story ya be kire ba. People cannot hear. Me metumi ko to verse. Fiti bra ba wiase. Na me metumi ko to verse so for be say na verse ko hunu we. Kan no tie.
Na amani mu bia na nti nyame di.
Na amani mu biara enanti ni nyame din mu. Na yen Israel for there.
Ye be nanti Awurade nyankopon.
Ye be nanti Awurade yen nyankopon ni din mu. Ti The warning in the Bible, they say, Israel for Yankupon no catch on say, and my Israel for no, and coin yam for the bay and chain. Monum quano muninichi, a sunset or you're jealous. That's it. The Bible and you Jew for the debate. Debbie, Europe for the debate. The original people. What Bible won't be that? What's your other one? Rona, eh? You may try Bible at Trawa. Well, Bible reader. Where for you Kumash? What will be that? Where you be in the second and any way, Bible reader. Where will be that? This also for you will be that. Why go to King James need good news and even amplify Bible the Benjamin Abraham in Mosheni. May you sing a good from what idea whipping. All the upper friendly debate. Why go for King James need good news and NIV? Bomb Bible. The West Bible is King James Bible. Yeah. The West of all translation is King James. Me original document wa and Satana kasoda. Sansukuta a book of the dead. Sankuta. Hey, don't try. Hey, also. Hey, also, yes, steady. Well, Bible can say, steady to show thyself approved unto God, a workman that needs not to be ashamed, rightly dividing the word of truth. Steady to show thyself approved. Steady. Where's steady Bible? Bible never seen one no sikajian kwa. Make us meti asori anko bi ama. Yeah. Na me musa yen kwase adwuma. Or some Ghana for your hard work near body economy. Every day yes, you saw the Meradia. Yankupon more Yansa, Omo and Noma or Henoma Wenny. Ah, Oma will name you. After crown 4 bar. Yankupon himself to the big crown 4, a bitch in Sinti no more 9. Now crown 4 bar, which now say in the name of Jesus. You know, now Jesus is a little baby, a muy or a baby fine. Now, the belief in God limit effort and productivity. Yeah. Once you believe in a supernatural being, it limits your effort. Because what gain what come natural say, e would be. Yeah. The more tiasia, e would be nyahwimobia. You try exams, you be passing no e effort. You be failing no e effort. Say Nyankopon oboa obi mane pass exams. Wanya just. Other than Yankupon boa kwabena passe. Now one boa the whole class. It is a Yankupon or ya boa for the anka ya manu control exams ya. I was saying Yankupon boa ya money and no be a will be a passe. Besan says school now walk on. A free choice. Addition one a wusia. The exams number one a bed for better. Timame phone papa phone. Oh, I cost for the exercise book. Na na me amesre na Reverend Bob for say or no exercise book and a pen na sa book and a pen no me de ma wo ba no otwero mu pen exams bi ani kwa wontwa me pa chaw this is stupidity at the highest level. Book bi ani wa utwero mu pass exams wa bon simple. Nipa o kochro wasi na ujina prayers abra una for good classes ya. What do you mean? Abra wa down for take class esua de. Also jina saw them say, Father, in the name of Jesus, I pass these exams in advance. If you pass in advance, don't go and write. Yes, and say your God is all powerful. One kochro kra obetrama. Na kochne fie na hwe ade. Ka ube feli. Bon. No Nyankopon say tua wo kaka ho a kire wo se wagim adwen na anya adwuma body ne bre e simple as ABC dem be say nipa bi ehunu say mo obi anada learn how to use the reasoning power. Yo be black ever ne yekono mika no kan brofo no Yabra ni de bia na mpaibo da mpaibo ba Africa mpaibo solve problem wan ka Africa for ye ho atoye in South Africa for be bia en solid also no mo bre when there are more churches the people are poor be catch them so my name ayeden o my name ayeden no blame ni bebre ya sofo no because first Rollins time na solid no so na ho kyerɛ wo ho but yɛnte esan sɛ yɛn fisika ne nkɔma asɔfo ɛnɛ wo a ho kyerɛ wo sika kakra wo di bedidi etua light bill etua nkɔda school fees ɛde akɔ hospital nso a wo di sika no akɔbɔ afɔde ama asɔfo hwɛ ka asɔfo ne dem Reverend Bofo ba da ben akoto Rolls Royce wonim nebo Rolls Royce wonim nebo o man pay na do ko ato Rolls Royce ah cars and the so for ba ne convoy o China na do say so for ba ne convoy abra Jesus no Bible nim kra Jesus bicycle type kra no ni bi Jesus kra no ni be da Peter Jesus no mama me pray nya me ho mfa so we na ma be blame Jesus no say Jesus ya powerful amanfo akogye aduro ena omu bo wudin wa so dem ho say who Jesus na wo yen senkyere ne enye wo a still untumi nya so for na we ena we gye omo sa Abraham kenkan Bible na ebinom yeso me yisu Jesus edin edin kwase asem omu nya punishment enti Jesus na o punish nkrofo Bible ne wada na and I saw them grosso, you better again. I saw them grosso, you know, you better. Jesus in carry, and I saw them so for to me, Jim Whisky na Sikasha bottom, what Jinny Navia, no sick coffee, now be we would have the incendiary. The pacho say, it would have the incendiary, a woofia. I then one can't tell me some internet and ask me, nonsense. And I got back also Bishop Obinimo, Bishop Obinimo so called soon Sumubiasi. Wakoji say 20 billion or becheche tie. Wakoji 20 billion or cheche. Oguruncha bia wunsem. Je 1 billion bia wunsem. Je 500 Ghana bia wunsem. Je 1 billion bia wunsem. Je 2 billion bia wunsem. Je 500 million bia wunsem. Je 300 million. Je so no so for no wakoji sika no cheche. Onu de nensa hwehwe wunsem se o cheche billion so. O wie no ka kire members na say o penipa baako 100 obi ambra ni 200 Ghana. 200 Ghana multiplied by 100. You're saying that means also for now spiritual money and not physical money. Where Jimmy? Oh yeah. Once I make us a so for the day. Okay, I saw Monty one. Almost a pan, but nobody can stand me. The so for Beji Jinano. There's a community be a debate, oh baby. So for the family debate, then when I saw them in presence of your church members. Na ye go professionally and then I ought to ask them. I do the Daniel Potter farm. Munjai Samudi Yankupon Dino, Mudi Buni Pasa, because your concept of God doesn't exist. Papa be a new year with God. There be a active force at to say energy. And yet, Papa be so. There be unstudy religion channel. Na Opako University. Na kona kosunya Christian religious studies so say kosunya bian you can't compare yourself to them. You don't know where I learned from. Maybe I'm see ade na ehu. Me ti we me 15 minutes we gane. Me now me am that religious books so continuous 16 years. Books no madam continuous non-stop 16 years. Me reassess 98. Make I say me go school aye adwuma kan dey bia me doctor na me but me hu say no enkwaje hu hia me check book na check we are so for on tiasia from what saw them me ba me ni CSF militant here about debate you check too much na me ni be go to Isaiah 7:14 and Isaiah 9:6 and Isaiah 53 we go to John 1:1 say enfitiasia no na asem no na me many oh boy we can tell say Jesus ye nyankopon John chapter 14 verse 12 verse we say no cry Mika 4:5 and I catch say o man obi anante won nyankopon din so we ja onyame ato akina kwakofo obi nyame say Israel nyankopon ni mo Israel nyankopon ni mo Ghana Black Star ko bobo a na we sua for Israel nyankopon aba Israel for kra ni Italy ko bobo a Italy for che Israel one Italy for no ku Jesus no people are kind
John 14:12
enti niam me here Megie di say Jesus or your powerful nini nti kan
John 14:12.
John chapter 14 verse 12.
The kind of crime say
Enti Jesus asemo di ja ye ne say nokre me Jesus me se mo say
de ojimi die no
de where you be biara anyone the ojimi Jesus wan ka say odifu o say the ojimi Jesus di no
enuma me ye no
enuma me Jesus me ye no
anu so obeye
sa wojimi Jesus di a enuma me ye no won so wo beye
no beye kese asenwe
na wo beye kese asene enti ha no Jesus ama concrete proof say wonya gini di pe miracles na egu Bible nim eni enuma na oye no won so wo beye bi na waye akase kra ye den esene no enti Jesus o mensuo da ne nsa eye sample wo ye Kristonia na person say Jesus power na no kra sensuo gu cap Jesus say obeye kese kra sene no Jesus o mensuo ankra e na da ne nsa nti wo de fa cap keto na sensuo na bompa ye say papa Yesu wo say ya ji wudi a o miracles ne ye beye bi akwa bi aba yenim so ye bonsam ye fa na Abraham o say wo Jesus wo ni tumi Jesus me ji wudi wo tumi wo say se me ji wudi a ensanchani a wo ye no meye bi na ma ya kese aseno papa Yesu me mpese me challenge wo me ntumi ni wo nko challenge papa Yesu we anya ankra ye cap ketwa bi papa Yesu me pa chaw mane na ne mo oto na me no ubekuta na wagu say Yesu obie ni frafo ani na Yesu bie ni frafo ani ka school of the blind ho say Yesu emum kasai anka school of the deaf ya bo nyina kofi say Yesu ma apache sole nante minim so for ya apache na ba nsa na oyo so agi Jesus na se oya apache no sole nante kofi say Yesu bie ni frafo ani agro bi na wudi kole proserium leprosy for the go no akwatafo no say akwatafo du na Yesu sa o ya de na nso ba akope na ode na ase da bai enkono ni nyina ye boni aye onipa da se nie kai we chire pi na fa se da me go da kedi o chire enu ne ya to dia ma akwa ne fans para akra bi ni Jesus din wait Reverend Bofo we ya yarefo na oba no ntumi nsa no ama usika say ji kofie ko Pedro na no era na me ka chira mo say Bishop Obinim I'm not attacking him. Say Bishop Obinim enim so ye bofo na Nyankopon ma ne power aye de sayade a Bishop Obinim na sole na wotema komti ai 9 no ana komti 9 ana de o komti 9 no e ben General Hospital enti say Bishop Obinim si osayade a eye na so dem ho na so osayade ana o so ko General Hospital adopa bia ka no pempiara na ka Bishop Obinim powerful man of God, the only angel in Ghana, angel 1. Now go to General Hospital. Get nano. Yali for be rembia. Hey, yes, they won't coffee for sikako. Hey, for sikako. Hey, home talk for sikako. But our pastors know that the real sick people are in hospitals. Those in the churches, are movie actors. Until they are not TV so. A movie na wo he o ma ya rehearsal na practicals wheelchair no so for no be 30 o de yesie to wo ba pede aka che o say tie e be ma uska na de obeye ni ye de wot na wheelchair ni yesra wa ni say ayale for that into o so frɛ wo a cheda ye say wo nan na popo wa ni aka say you wana nti o ni aso a eno ano no wa de usika na anti bi de oye movie waba beka say na odi okreti ayarefo e de masofo bi mumma mu ani na ho na Jesus di no me say para akra wo power chain apia kai say Jesus ya wo power no no she Paul wo Damascus and Paul ji di ya I am waiting for Jesus to meet me any junction he want don't strike him na me hwe no can tell me the same thing say Abraham bin Moshe me Jesus and na wo kase tia me na me so magini ni nya bofra wadwin tu kwan free Ghana na ko duru broni kromu a e no se say religion no de bre no fa nya hwe bwesi ya tami na waso de no enye nyankopon bi no bi kasetia Jesus no bi na invent no o te say kwaku ananse he never existed and obi create and one of the stories Jesus award that 25th December the birthday of the sun and Christopher indirectly you are worshiping the sun and you are some sun day die solis day of the sun 25th December is the birthday of the sun nina ye zodiac astrology Bethlehem so Bethlehem house of bread so and nobody asha bible nim enye King David kuro bia say Jesus ekura existe ya Jesus etiase no na Bethlehem enye den ni ho na Bethlehem ni ho Bethlehem was invented 400 years after Jesus kuro Bethlehem your research na no Nazareth sorry enye Bethel Nazareth Corona Jesus is free to find Nazareth. Nazareth was invented 400 years after Jesus was supposed to have existed. Yeah, research now. And to know historian, the whole Old Testament, Nazareth be in. You need to find Nazareth. Na Enkrofukrobia, you're from Nazarenes. Krobia from Nazareth. Tabali history. Odipodi can or can Jesus and Wasem. Flavio Josephus. Josephus Unsua. Yawo na Jesus waba ya den eko nti Josephus we hu Jesus na and Josephus intro ye no wambo Nazareth bia ya den ewom because Nazareth na ye ni ho sabre weni now why I'm not stupid I know what I'm saying sramu pamunyi na achew sramu ati enu abema no say our question no where you part 1 why the sramu Oma nominating me Best Scout Kofi Adomanom for award in the United States. So far category me wo miensem hanti with the link no me pin wo page wo and betu WhatsApp me WhatsApp me number 0244856241 say I want to vote send me the link send the vote ni betu nya search omudin ni betu nya search omudin no ewo Facebook Variety Night Social Media Awards 2018. Variety Night Social Media Awards. Nti a group. Nti oba join it. O tap link na so pe edobe ko group ni. O ko group ni mu a obe join group. Na wa join the group no. O join the group na obe kan. Na omo accept o. Omo accept wa na wa ko categories no. Na wa ko vote. Nti categories no dia me woman ani ewie ni ato aso dia me woman ani am chome bawai me wo most popular social media personality of the year Obeti wa Avram Bin Moshe Peter Paradise Obodo ene Opon K Francis Magraheb TV guy sa group we me na me lead so far timpam chow mon kwara mon ko vote e na de to so biom ne ye social media personality of the year Kofi Adoma Onwani Avram Bin Moshe Nana Obiri Yeboa Ophelia Goldheart Opon K Francis any Best Scout Nana Prempe I wanna me say me call ya Best Scout I ko vote ama me no so na last one no most influential social media personality of the year and also ya Best Scout Nana Prempe Kofi Best Scout Nana Prempe Kofi Adoma Onwani Avram Bin Moshe Prophet Aban any ideas man pamchomo konko vote CSF obi anko vote why na edumaden na yaye no yen crown no edumaden no with award why ya boy aduma kasa CSF me na da yes ya boy aduma na be be change gears na di akoto no nke ye free Jesus so kakra na manfo asan kofa ba misramo I'm not stupid me pamchaw me wo fact me wo proof me wo evidence I disprove religion like a scientist. Me disprove religion like scientist. I disprove with evidence, with proof and fact. Your pastor will tell you just believe. Don't mind Abraham. Who the Yesu with no proof, with no evidence. Pastors cannot even disprove me with the Bible. Tiaya, me a man say disprove no. Now man say use Bible no. Now me the Bible not saying disprove. No Christ didn't catch him say why are you go to the Bible? Meaning on one kasa Bible no nyade. Wanyini Ti me da mu nyina CSF ye di besi a ochina be ba be ma part 2 where part 1 ochina ye part 2 why the same topic part 2 why na we na den nsem be ba no why e ko twetwe nsem na atwam ni nyina asa de aba to pe Apostle Joseph the quantum pendant na ni and your product no your feminine wash your soap for stretch marks wrinkles ni ade and your we your no energy what the better lay your phone echi any when I tally the phone echi no wow and open nsuo papa Paradise Park mineral water yenu abema Asamoah Gyan anansia na mete say yenu abema sa akode ono nso ebie sachet water ni bi wa enter sachet water business no sack mineral water there ye penny after making money create employment well when you better die no what car now we show off no and no change your life the best thing to do is to put a smile on a sad face after making money so hanti Sramwa na TV program na me pamochew CSF fans na doso menim say me too much menim say my brain fans na de magia mabre why e be before ade a eye ade ho ye fans ya manya kokko da say ye pe fans ma emboa na ye light ye pese ko TV so yakọ baby 6,000 a month yakọ baby 4,000 a month nti ye gadeska ska bazisi ano em say e duru 3,000 eko na nim kakra mpa mochaw obi biara opesa obu abia no anaso be frame number no 0244856241 and ye wo group aye create e wo Telegram it say WhatsApp it download Telegram who download Telegram pe na send me message say Abraham add me to the Telegram group na me de waka ho na obi amfa ne contribution e be say by January first second week January be and the any start TV program and the maka kire say mu bo mu ambo me ka no kra meton na me the message na ko TV so because we have to enlighten the youth and the future generation every awo o akwantu wo de o social media enti what the ekoso bebreba Ghana no mo bo me din kire mo busuafo they say don't know Abraham I just say me time na me ko kantanka o mo invite me na say obi invite mo TV program me sramo message no enya nkoda message me sramo enya nkoda message di bidi agro misram bebre ti dem hia ne se momwa na message no enko TV so misram mo fa mo contribution na ne enko yene we ye fa enko bo awurade adwuma ye de boa Ghana youth na adwene mu ada ho e na football team na ma start no misram wa pesa wo boa ye hia jerseys ye hia footballs ye hia football boot ti biara a woni agent ya betumi aboa na nkola ne bi tutu kwan no na wa boa ye nya nkoda kakra be 16 17 enduru time a yebeka say obi oni bobo ebebo justify yenya nduru ho eduru ho amena nso wo obi oye good na de naba na sabe ne yenya agent no nya de a ebe pushi nkola no okonya grease kurahye na oje kakra gu ne botuma nkwanya yede onya Scotland ko sha efie jedu na yepese yede boom wo mu ana ne premier teams no kotoko has no Liberty makobo justify friendly match anti players ne good a omo peke boys no dem so metumi ayam no why ti me da mu nyina CSF Mr. Obi ahwe ne ho yie why na do the right thing asa ahwe anya dwuma body ne bre madam nyina asa ochina obeti yenka bi ye nim time time be ba na ye de ba beto mo share video no why ti madam nyina asa ti we your roll call manya kokko na mo nko vote why mo nko vote yeah ekuwa mo abo ati me ho ya Oheneba Ernest ya Edward Yaboa me ho na asie edu me ho na asie edu da ko na asie edu da ko na person kasa type invite na asie edu da ko na asie edu da ko ya manya kokomo mi Felix Yaw me ho ya Nanaba Pento me ho ya Hetop Ra ya Haj me ho Kwaku Aban me ho Allen Fabi ya Suleiman GH ya May Dinash me ho nyina Thomas Kwaku Forsen me ho nyina ti me da mu nyina ase why me da mu nyina ase CSF ochina why adwene anya dwuma body ne bre ma yenyu so adwene mo why baby okra nyese wokọ ebi okwenye se wukọ right ti me da mu nyina ase bye bye.